This video is going to be one example having to do with identifying pairs of lines and angles. And that example is going to answer the essential questions: what are the special pairs of angles formed by a transversal and two lines, and what's the difference between parallel and skew lines? So here's the example. Which angles are congruent? We have two lines M and N and then a transversal, this line T, and we have a pair of angles listed for answer choices A, B, and C. We want to see if they are congruent or not. So answer choice A here, we're looking at angle 1 and angle 5. So these are corresponding angles, and we'll come back to in just a second whether corresponding angles are congruent or not. Answer choice B, we're looking at angle 2 and angle 6, again corresponding angles, so similar situation to answer choice A. C is looking at angle 2 and angle 5. Well, there's really no relationship between angles 2 and 5. 2 is an exterior angle, 5 is an interior angle. They're on opposite sides, so we're pretty sure angles 2 and 5 won't be congruent. But what about corresponding angles? What's the situation where we see angles corresponding angles being congruent? Well, we need to know one thing first, and that is whether M and N are parallel lines. And we're not told that in this example, so there's no way we can conclude that the corresponding angles are congruent. We don't know that line M and N are parallel, so the correct answer in this situation is that none of these angles are congruent. We just don't have enough information to determine that. If M and N were in fact parallel, if we were told that these lines actually are parallel M and N, then we can conclude that the corresponding angles are congruent, and answers A and B would be true.